Well, hello, motherfuckers. Well, hello, motherfuckers. Okay, there's no music. Oh, there is. Okay, there's no music. Oh, there is. Okay, there's no music. Oh, there is. Okay. There's like an infinite echo because I'm trying to listen to the audio myself. What up, Amin? How's everything, brother? Amin was up early. He was like, man, where the you at? And honestly, it just was not a part of. I mean, I saw DJ was stuck for. Why am I just on another YouTube? All right, let's open this up real quick. I saw that. I didn't like how Price Action was reacting. I saw that. I didn't like how Price Action. What do I do next? Trading View. I got Trading View already open. Leave those two real quick. Forex Factory. You're in the GJ buy. 8:30. We have USD news in an hour. Okay. You're in the GJ buy. I mean, I do believe there's going to be a small time retracement on GJ, but I'm not a big fan of the buys right now. I actually profited a big amount on my live account. Well, on my client's live account, $6,000 were up. Or 5,600. It was a live account I was telling you guys I recovered $10,000 from. Yeah, the dude's up fucking 5,600. Echo. Oh. Fixed it. I fixed it. Relax. Chat. Let's keep the win streak going, boys. And I'm liking this GU sell. I'm liking it right now. I'm loving this GU sell. Let's see if I have enough time to open up my account. I can't be in this trade an hour before though. Oh wait, I can take it on this. Leveled up traders. 1 segundo. Anybody else like sells on gold? Good morning, FLVR6. I saw Anas said he liked gold sells. Anas, are you in the chat, brother? Could somebody spam Discord to say at everyone he's on live stream? We're on live stream. Okay, I logged into the wrong account. Damn it. Alright, this trade I do gotta be out of 10 minutes before the news. So realistically 15 minutes before news. 45 minutes for this trade. I'm liking the sell on gold. I'll break it down real soon. Let me see if I have enough time to hop in it. And if I mean, I do like it. It's kind of feels impulsive because I just got on stream. That's the only thing that's throwing me off in my head right now, to be honest, is that it feels impulsive because I just got on stream. Nonetheless, you know what this feels like? This feels like it's gonna range. Clip it if this happens. It feels like price is gonna end up ranging. And it's going to end up ranging up until the news that is in 1 hour, being that it's going to go up, maybe down a little bit, and then news is what's going to make it either wake up, then go straight down. I mean, I think it's going down after news, no matter what, or just plummet. This wake up is what I'm scared of during, news, or just not being able to get to price before news, because on this account, I can't be in during news. Dang it, Bubba. Good morning, Sagar. I want my boy Pavlov to come into the chat, the guy with the 200k account, the one I was telling you guys about yesterday. Recovered 10,000 from it. He gave me $1,000 and then I fucking made him $6,000 tonight. He hasn't even woken up. I slaughtered the GJ cells. Anas, you can't watch the stream today? Anas, can you do me one favor before you leave so I don't have to log in right now and put a NordVPN on my account that keeps freezing my stream? Any chance you want to hop into a 10 pip sell? Stop loss. You could hop into the sell for me? Stop loss at 720. So it's a 0.25 lot. Any chance you could take a 0.25 for lot for me? Execution like now. Anas. I don't know if he's here. I might have to do it myself. All right, let's see if I'm gonna hop into it myself right now. %, yes sir. Stop loss at 2720. All right, I'll let you guys know if we, I mean, I think this is going to be the official trade of the stream right now. I have not executed myself yet. Dude, GU also looks like it's going to melt out. I mean, it'd be impressive to, I'm scared of the wick, chat, right? I am super, super bullish on the dollar. I think that the dollar is going to fly. Therefore, I think GJ and GU are going to melt. What I am worried about, and I could be completely wrong, because this could just start melting out. I mean, it really depends what happens. If this starts melting out aggressively before the news, we're obviously planning on taking buys and catching the bounce. Right now, I prefer, it already looks bearish to me, so I prefer taking sells on GJ and GU, and hopefully it melts out aggressively before news comes, and then it keeps on going. And gold, everything. Well, because we're mainly talking about gold here, right? Nonetheless, I'm bearish on everything. Wow. Well, this gold actually looks like it could fly on us from this perspective on the daily. $0.25. It's a 0.25 stop loss, my brother. Ooh, I got my coffee. All right. I mean, at this point, I'd say fuck. I would say GJ and GU don't look too bearish. You know, there could be a big. I mean, the bearish already happened, so I take back what I said. I mean, but this wick failed, dude. I don't know. GG's in a fucked position because this is one of my favorite setups. Is whenever we have a break of this 50 SMA, right? These are the SMAs, right? We're above the SMAs. We know we're bullish. Very above the 50. When we start getting close to the 50, we start getting scared, right? We start expecting it to break the 50, kind of like it did right here. But like I said, it's one of my favorite setups whenever you trade it right underneath the 50. Pretty hard stop loss. And then when volatility, it might recover just a little bit and not going to be much in profit, but if volatility comes and you actually caught the bottom of the market, it flips and you can swing it. Kind of like what happened right here. Same thing. Whenever you start trading beneath the 50, it's one of my favorite setups to be able to catch that bottom. I would never really go for catch the bottom right here or right. I mean, maybe underneath the 50 where I circled the second, but right here above the 50 or at the 50, I would never go for reject. Because if it got to the 50, it's there for a reason. Therefore, all the rookies would be taking the buys here. This is where you know that this is a strong level of support. Yes, indeed. Nonetheless, next candlestick opens and it melts out. 101 woke money concepts. Hopefully you guys understood what I meant there. If you guys didn't, make sure you guys ask questions. That's the most important thing. USD news is in an hour. I'm very aware of that. I am so bearish on gold right now. Yeah, Dorcas, 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 Dorcas. Xander. Xander, there's a discount on funding pips. We need to get your account today. All right, call a trip to liquidation. What does that mean? You call a trip to liquidation? All right, boys. Oh, for those who just recently joined the stream, I mean, news is coming in an hour for the dollar, right? I'm extremely bearish on this setup that we have here. I mean, if you look at the 2 hour, yes, we are at a strong level of support. We're rinsing and repeating the strategies that we're literally on a 4-win streak or 5-win streak, taking these same exact setups. And it comes down to, yes, we are at a strong level of support where, hey, look at all the buying power there is here. That's what the rookies are thinking. Look at all the buying power. There's huge wicks. No, we just barely, and they're like, oh, and we respected support. Yeah, that's why I think that majority of things that people are taught are just completely the opposite of what actually we're supposed to be doing here. Now, it could get a little bit confusing because, look, we are above the 8 SMA, right? We still are above the 8 SMA. Nonetheless, if we were to close right here at the 8 SMA, I'd be expecting the wick fill to go to the downside. It really depends on the setup that you have in front of you, right? Multiple setups could play out at the same time. Now, if we were to have caught gold when it was, I mean, maybe imagine it went a little bit lower, right? It got to this level down here, and we would have caught that wick, and then it started going upwards. All right, our move would be like, hey, our possibilities are most likely stronger to be into the buys, right? And sometimes it's just the wrong bias. That's why taking certain trades, even though they don't play out and there's still valid setups, it's not a bad thing. You just need to learn how to take valid setups. There's multiple valid setups, whether it's bullish or bearish, right? So if you were taking the buy, and I don't even like this buy because it barely broke the 8 SMA, right? I'd probably be expecting it to keep on going bearish, and I'm going to keep on saying I am bearish due to the fact that we've had, I don't know, just a series of 4-hour candlesticks that look like they're going to the downside. But 100%, if you were in the buy since the bottom and then the move, I wouldn't even want to. I mean, there's certain circumstances where the move is to just hold it and pray for the buy. Like I'm saying, this support level to me is where all the rookies are taking buys. That's what the liquidity is going to come in, help us wick fill this all to the downside. Let me see. I can't draw. Yeah, I don't know where my drawing tool is. Nonetheless, yeah, it's basically a wick fill. This is a wick fill on a different time frame that doesn't exist, right? This is the 2 hour. Imagine this 4 hour. I mean, I don't even know. I just know that we're gonna wick fill that to the downside. Or I think that's the smartest play to take. Not that I know. Nobody knows. I'm thinking if I take it, do I take it on the live account? I'm thinking if I take it on the live account. It's debatable. It's a debatable trade to take on the live account. Anas, did you get to execute? I don't even know if Anas is still here. Hopefully he did get to execute. This is the 8 SMA right here. Oh. It's the only basically tool indicator that I use. It's called a simple moving average. The complicatedness of it is like, for example, this is the 50 moving average. So depending on the time frame, right? If we're on the hourly time frame, every 50 candlesticks, I actually don't know how the fuck the average gets made, but I know that this is something about like every 50 candlesticks. Dude, I can't believe I can't take it at him. I don't even know exactly. It's every 50 candlesticks. This shows the calculation of it's the average price of every 50 candlesticks. This is what this line is. This is the average of every 8 candlesticks, price average of every 8 candlesticks. Using these is how we indicate whether we're bullish or bearish, or every time frame has a different thing going. Like, for example, if we go to the weekly here, look how we've been trending above this 8 SMA. So while we're above this 8 SMA, we're most likely looking for buys when it comes down to things. When we're underneath, we're expecting to either recover the 8 SMA, right, and it was a fake out, or when we're underneath this 8 SMA, we're expecting it to come down and tap this 50. It could also start trading beneath the 50. So using your SMAs and paying attention to the things it does. So obviously it's an accumulation of memory and of just repetitiveness of remembering how certain things play out. GJ could still go so bearish, bro. Okay, I got you, Xander. I wish we would have said it a little earlier, no? Is that regardless? I think we're still going to be able to catch a banger. Let's hope that this rejects beforehand. Jesus. And then the most dangerous part about this trade is obviously comes down to news. There's gold news. 3 red folder gold news that is going to happen. There's going to be volatility at 8:30 for sure. I'm trying to break down. Let me have a moment to be able to focus on know what accounts I should take it on or what accounts I shouldn't take it on. So can't take it on this guys, can't take it on this guys. I can take it on this guys. We should just probably take it on Alan's account. Now I need to log into Alan's account again, but I could do that. Let me see. I don't even know which. Oh, this is Josie's account. It's literally crazy that we're just rinsing and repeating the same setups back to back to back, and they're just playing out. It shows you if you're taking a valid setup that you know has a high probability win rate, man. If it comes down to it, just wait till that setup pops up and just rinse and repeat it. It's super simple. Super simple. This is so annoying. Yo, the new Apple update's a bitch, bro. How the fuck? It's so hard to go to your recent photos and like replaying videos is also a bitch. Like I absolutely don't recommend the fucking update. Tell you the truth. Like I do not even know how to go to my screenshots, bro. I'm trying to find my credentials. Screenshots, where you at? This is so gay. I feel like a grandma doesn't know how to use it. Oh, found it. But like for real, bro, it shouldn't be that hard. And your most recent photos used to be at the bottom. Now the most recent photos are at the top. Like, Jesus Christ. Talk about confusing. Absolutely hate this. Finally, I got what I needed. All right. Let's see what we could do here now, chat. So I'm gonna repeat again. So it's like this is where the cup looks half full and half empty at the same time. This is where I explain there are valid setups that sometimes don't play out. Nonetheless, you have to learn how to take these valid setups. For those who were paying attention on why we won the last 4 trades that we've won in the last 4 streams, you know, back to back to back to back. It's the same setup that we're taking here, right? Let's look at it on this time frame. Maybe makes it easier. We have a major level of support. We know that there's going to be a whole bunch of buyers taking buys here. Nonetheless, we're expecting the continuation of where momentum has been going. Also a wick fill that's encouraging us to be in this trade. That is why we're taking the sell. On the flip side, there is news coming, right? There's news coming 45 minutes. And if we go to the daily time frame, we could see the same exact setup that we are in sells, in profit in sells, but to the top side. Major level of resistance, where we know most people are going to be going for their freaking, you know, when they put this after the setup actually plays out and they think that this is actually possible. You know, we're not going to talk about that, but they're going to be going for sells here, right? Major level of resistance. They're going to be thinking, hey, we're going to start selling off here. And they're not wrong, you know. There has been a retracement, and funny enough, we are in the 1 hour time frame looking into the specifics of it, trying to take the sell, going downwards here. It's where the chart gets tricky, right? That's why there's never a right answer. What am I saying is that in 45 minutes we could easily just aggressively come down and still with news just flip and start going bullish. You know, we could go bullish, you know, stop both people out, then go, like, you know, that's all a possibility. So, I mean, the quicker we take profit on these sells, the better, truthfully. You don't want to be in it during news. And then if you're a gambler, we're all gamblers, and you hold it during news, imagine this starts melting out, man, hopefully news doesn't stop you out, and it just continues coming down to this 50 SMA, and you're rich. And you're fucking rich. Put break even and hold might be even smarter. I'm only missing out on $6,000 right now. I'm not too upset. I forgot to put an ice cube in my coffee and the shit's like burning the fuck out of me. Golly, man. Golly, that's all I gotta say. And I know for a fact Anas, oh my god, Anas did not take the fucking trade. Oh my god, Anas. I just barely read the chat where he said, has anybody gotten to exit? I mean, I know you're in it, Slick. I know you're in it for a fact, because I think I saw you say something about bearish in the Discord. And on us, let's see if it's gold. My entry 710 to 716. I'm finna get clapped. 7. Oh my god, you're in it a lot. Wait, 2610? Is this old? I don't even know where we're at right now. Yeah, you're in it. All of you were saying bearish. Wow, that shows that my teaching has been very effective, because we have a group of people that were not confident on, well, not, I mean, Slick's the most confident guy on gold. That is probably a little too confident, but goddamn, Xander and Honest, that's great analysis right there. Good shit. I mean, it hasn't even completely played out yet, nonetheless. Obviously, full take profit would be at 700. This thing could turn around and fuck us in 2 seconds. 100%. News is coming in 40 minutes. In 40 minutes, we have 3 red folder news. For those who cannot be trading news, make sure you guys are careful with the challenge. Oh, the 101 has hit for you. Good shit. Yes, yes, you can. And she is gone. Gone like the wind. Damn it. I should have taken this on my live account also. We can still trade news. One also why I didn't want to take it. I was scared that on the live account you can't I'm not sure. I completely trading so many different prop firms, you mix up the rules, and I'm not even sure if you could trade news on FTMO live accounts. No idea. Wouldn't be able to tell you that off the bat of my head. If somebody else knows the answer. Bro, what happened to last night's football bets? Man, I ended up a little positive, break even, right? I bet on, what did I bet on? I have the slips right here. I bet a couple of things. I did lose like the crazy parlays. My savior of the night was when Stuttgart was down and Milan hasn't scored yet. I bet on Stuttgart minus 150 parlayed with AC Milan minus 350, and I just went all in there, you know, and that's what helped me recover all my little small stupid losses. And then what made me rich, I saw that Barca was tied and they were plus 380, and the other team, Dortmund, was plus 350, and I was like, they're disrespecting Barca. I have to bet right now. Deposited 100 to bet 100 for 500 on Barca with like 5 minutes left, 10 minutes left. And as I go to fucking click the bet, it locked. Barca scored, and I was pissed. I was, oh my god, I wanted to break my phone. I literally was about to break the phone. I was just that rage that I had. I remember when I used to play FIFA, I used to break remotes left and right. I used to, every time that the fucking something with some stupid shit would happen last second, I'd grab the remote and just explode it against the wall. Shit was so fun, and it made all the anger go away. And I was about to do that yesterday. Who else is currently in these gold sells, or who else at least did not take these gold buys because they heard me saying gold sells? Is anybody else enjoying the show here? You want to go? You want me to open the door for you? Come here. That boy in sales. Sheesh. Damn, son. Where'd you find that? And we are in profit, boys. Oh. And we are in profit, boys. Sheesh. That's like 5-win streak there. Gold sells was on the 3 minute. You better stop, Anton. I really want to get this FTMO payout. $6,000, I'll take it. That's probably where I'm going back to before Cuba or Puerto Rico. All right. What a meltout. Let's see what's happening with GJ. GJ baiting a whole bunch of buyers. It's not an ugly trade. Just this one looks a lot cleaner. What it do, Dumani? Everything good, bro? I'm going to share a fire song with the stream. I don't know what it's called. I'm going to share a fire song with the stream. First, got to find what it's called. It is called 10. All right. I'll put you guys onto a fire song right here for you guys. This is going to help us get all the way back to take profit, news hits, and then we'll catch another trade because we're having a pretty long live stream today, hopefully. If it's too loud, you guys let me know. I'll put it down. GJ is in a very bad spot to be trading. In between the both SMAs, we could easily just magnet our way this way, or we could easily magnet our way this way. Why do I say magnet? Remember, support and resistance levels attract and repel price, right? They also attract price. Huge support level here. Yeah, we could bounce off of it, but nonetheless, it attracts price. Just like this resistance level up here is attracting price. And so sometimes when we're closer to a support level, I'm thinking, hey, price is getting attracted there. Same to the opposite side, right? What support and resistance level do we have here? I mean, obviously these ones, but also you want to consider every SMA is a moving support and resistance level. So that dot right there is a resistance level. This dot right here is a support level, right? Realistically, this is going to come down to news. It's going to come down to news. And we're going to be ready for after news. For those who are unsure and want to take a banger trade with me live, we're just going to wait till after news hits, and we're going to be able to actually take another one on live stream. Let's make some freaking money. I still think the sells are great, though. I would not close out if you're in the sell. All right, done for the GU yearly candle. If you take a look, we are back to 2024 open. What does it have to say? Very strong. Oh, very loud music. I apologize. I apologize. I apologize. I apologize. I apologize. I apologize. I was only supposed to put that song and that's it. Here, there we go. So I have a very, very strong opinion on what I think is happening here. I think that the dollar, if it's at back to yearly open, I mean, it was acting like it was breaking the 8 SMA, and it was acting like it was going to start breaking this little channel wedge that we have here, right? It was baiting all the people into thinking, hey, we're no break and retest, we're going to start flying soon. If we're back to open, this is bearish candlestick, continuation candlestick, continuation candlestick. I'm bearish overall. 100% we could leave a wick to the top. You know, we're looking at the... I'm not a Fred Again fan. I just heard that song, the first one. I don't even know who Fred Again is. I found out who they were 2 days ago because of that song. And I've never heard any other song besides that one. Sounds like you're a Fred Again fan. Because you know who the hell they are. I don't even know who the fuck they are. But yeah, I'm bearish on that. I'm bearish on that for sure. Bearish. Meaning that I think the dollar is going to get stronger. And that's what we are getting right now as we watch the charts. The dollar is getting stronger as we speak. Hooray, hooray, hurrah to the dollar. Very soon, every prop firm is definitely going to have live accounts. How the hell do you check the 3 month, brother? Like, what are you trying to get me to do here? Bearish's balls also. Oh, I know you are, Guillermo. I know you are. I know you are with Pick Funded. All right, we got 24 minutes till news hits. It's not too long. Not too long to go. Charts will definitely clear up for those who are like, oh, there's no good trades right now. Wait for the news to hit. Charts will definitely clear up. Well, you'll see a lot of different things happening. Good opportunity. We got 7 minutes, mate. Oh shit! I didn't even know that the. I mean, dude, who the fuck cares about the euro? Who the fuck cares about this bullshit? The UK. I don't have any prop accounts for 40 days now. I don't get what that means. For 40 days? 40 days you've been propless? Haven't bought one? Trading live? I'd be surprised if Euro News even moves us fucking 2 ticks. Yes, bro. Everything is melting. My brother. Hey, have you guys need to go on Netflix. Everybody needs to go on Netflix and watch the series Black Dove. It just came out. It's for Christmas. You know, it's a Christmas special. It has nothing to do with Christmas, though. It has nothing to do with happity dappity shit. This is about spies and US and UK and Chinese intelligence. And a baddie. They got baddies. So if you like watching baddies on a show, Black Dove. Yeah, Merry Christmas, Happy Kwanzaa. What else is there? Is Kwanzaa even around this time of year? Actually, you gotta. I grew up in the West, man. You gotta. Everything we say first, you gotta take with a grain of salt. Second, you gotta take into consideration they don't teach us shit about the world. Besides, about the Western world and the Western opinion of the world. So, I'm just a sheep in the herd. All right, 5 minutes till we have Euro news. And then after that, well, and 20 minutes till we have some real motherfucking news. The dollar. The free world. A sheep in the flock. Yes, sir. Look at CHF JPY melting since London. I mean, this has been melting 3 hours after London. Just had to go break weekly highs, fake out all the buyers. It broke weekly highs, faked out the buyers. I potentially would have bought there. And after it gave this price action, melted on us. I actually made $6,000 on of live motherfucker. Actually, I took it from 600 to 100. It's 50 pips. 50 pips stop loss. It's like a 14 lot, if I'm not mistaken. Might have not been a 4. It's around there. Just a sheep in the flock. I don't even know what the hell that is. She ain't look too bad here, but I'm telling you in the show, she a baddie. She from the UK. She definitely a baddie though, I'm telling you. And she old though. Hey Peso, I heard you like I'm young. That was bad. All right, 2 minutes till Euro news. Let's see what the fuck happens here, chat. What's my bias for the news? I got no bias. I'll tell you what I think is going to happen as it happens. Like if I see a huge wick to the downside, I might want to buy here. If I see it go up, I might tell you let's catch the wick fill to the downside. If I see it go up then down, then I'm thinking, hey, maybe we just catch the continuation of the down. But if I see it wicking a little bit, I might say, hey, it's just going to stay back into the range and make a doji, so we go back up. There's a couple of things that could happen. Talk about Benfica going 0-0, bruh. Also losing me some money. Fucking Benfica's like that team that never fails ever whenever you bet on them. They're like that team that they're like minus 200, barely favorite. Fucking they score 8 goals. Or they fucking just make it effortless all the time. Then they go 0-0 against fucking trash bags. This chat, please do not take any GJ buys, and even if it goes and it flies, yeah, I had them to score in the first 10 minutes mixed with, I think, with Dortmund to score in the first 10 minutes or Barca to score in the first 10 minutes, one of those two, and they failed me. All right, so dude, I mean, it is looking like a setup for it to strongly recover. Nonetheless, I'm addicted to wicks. I love the wick fill. I love the sell here. I love the continuation sell. I do. Oh! And we are going. And we are off. Sayonara. To the motherland. Peace out. News just dropped. News just dropped. News just dropped. And it's positive news. Boys, if you guys have not liked up the stream yet, make sure you guys like up the stream. It helps the channel grow. And oh my god, look at all this. Oh my god, look at all this. I hear you like I'm young. FLVR6, tell me you're still in here. Xander, tell me you're still in it. Slick, I don't know about you. Who else is in this gold cell right now? Anybody currently in this gold cell? Oh yeah, that's effortless. Damn, if I would have taken out my live account, I'd have a chance to be able to close, just like I said, 15 minutes before news hit. W trade. Yes, sir. Spam some W's in the chat. Let's go, boys. Why is trading so goddamn easy? Sheesh. Bro, we can see it. We might see a huge melt out on gold when this news hits. A huge melt out on gold. Aurelio. Aurelio, ¿llegaste en tiempo o no pudiste llegar para tomar esta venta? Love the W's. Love you, Amin. All right, now we got the big boy news coming up. This is where we could really get crazy. Charts are going to clear up, and then we're going to be able to take some more trades. If Baca got a case, why the hell is he still around? What's dark? What do you mean it's dark? The fuck is dark? My stream looks good. I thought you were talking about the stream. No, we didn't really hit lows. 4-hour lows. I mean, I told you guys we'd end up getting the wick fill. That was the first thing I said on stream. I also said after that to be careful for the daily flip on news. So, like I said, two setups could be true at the same time. Oh my God, Aurelio got here on time. ¿Cuánto dinero hiciste, Aurelio? Aurelio's in a place where, man, every dollar counts for so much. The dollar is so strong, right? And yesterday he took my trade and he made $40+. Big money over there where he's from. And right now it looks like he took this trade again. Dude's been following me for a while and he literally just fucking waits for me to take a trade and fucking profits off of it. Real money. Probably like tells his wife he goes to work and he just hangs out and watches the stream. It's funny. W Aurelio. For real. Xander said that's literally what I do. He's at an internship. Oh my, the retracement was heavy here, boys. This candle is bad news? Hell no. Shit left a beautiful wick. A beautiful wick to the downside that could be easily filled up. All right, we got 5 minutes till news. 5 minutos. All right, so we have news coming in 4 minutes, and my bias still remains, which might be pretty irrelevant when there's 3 red folder news coming, but my bias still remains pretty strong on the dollar getting stronger. That's across the board, so probably seeing GU sells to continue, probably seeing even GJ to go to the downside, and yeah, I love the continuation of gold sells. Oh my God, Aurelio made $60 today. Jesus Christ. Good shit, Aurelio. 100, eso lleva $100 en 2 días. $100 en 2 días. What's up with those drones in New Jersey? I promise to Santa baby. Red folder news is 2.5 minutes away. If you guys cannot be trading news, Jesus Christ, hopefully you guys closed out already. 5 minute mark is past due. Type on TikTok, drones, New Jersey. They even had an FBI hearing about it. There's a whole bunch of drones literally just flying over houses and shit like the size of cars. And then the FBI was asked, do you guys know about these drones? And they're like, we know about them. And they're like, do you know what they are? And they're like, we don't know what they are, sir. And the guy's like, yo, that's motherfucking crazy that you guys don't know what the fuck these drones are. They could be goddamn Chinese. They could be goddamn from cartels. And you're telling me you don't know what they are? And the guy's like, no, I don't. Yeah, All right, news is coming, boys. News is coming. If you guys care to know what my strong opinion is that we will start a little bit bullish, and then sheep the bed. I don't know what part of New Jersey. Oliver Morristown. Morristown, very close to New York. boom, 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 boom. One minute till red folder news. Imagine this doesn't end up getting volatile and picking up volume right now and just not doing anything. That'd be hilarious. It's like it's not even moving too much right now. That's the thing, which means it could be like a late news reaction. Oh. 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 Oh, it's gonna melt. It's gonna melt. Hold with your lives, boys. It's gonna melt. Bye-bye, gold. Drop and give me 50. Bye-bye, gold. Bye-bye, gold. Oh, yeah. There it goes. Here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes. Drop and give me 50. No, stop going. Stop going. Start coming. There we go. Drop and give me 50. That's 1 minute past news. We are alive, surviving. Drop and give me 50. My computer froze. That means that there's data being analyzed. Come on. Give it to me. Drop and give me 50. We're dropping. Bye-bye. Peace out. We're gone. Drop and give us 50. Okay. She's gone. Now here comes the aggressive candlestick, or is I think the aggressive candlestick is going to be the 5 minute closure. And she's gone. Let's see right here. Okay. All right. Sounds like I'm goddamn having sex with the chart. Oh yeah. Right there. Keep it going. Oh yeah. That was some pussy ass news. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Don't go. Oh no. Chill out, please. Okay. There we go. There we go. 5 minute candlestick closure, like I said, boys. Keep it coming. Keep it coming. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. 5-minute candlestick closure. Come on, come on. Next 5-minute candlestick. No top wick. Drop to the bottom. 4 seconds left. All right, next candlestick. Drop. No top wick. There we go. There we go. Oh no. Jesus Christ. You know what? I got an idea. I'm going to go use the restroom. Usually when I leave, price falls. Let me use the restroom. This coffee got me twisted. 1 second. Be right back. Is it safe to come back or what? We're looking good. Did I not tell you guys picture perfectly what was going to happen? Xander, you need to get a clip of it for sure. Right before news, I literally said it's going to open. It's going to go up to the top. After that, we're going to continue down to the downside. And yeah, I mean, that's what I mean by you got to have a bias with, you got to have a bias, but I could react to news while it happens. You got to, depending on the setup that happens right before news, like you can only anticipate if it's like fucking on the spot. And the GJ sells ended up playing out kind of as we anticipated. I begged you guys on stream to not want to take these gold buys. That's where I know that's where a lot of rookies were taking buys. Now buys might be playable, but before I did not like it. Now with a decent stop loss, like if your stop loss is somewhat 30-40 pips down here, it's a valid stop loss. It's good. And here we come. Here we go. Let's melt out. Let's finish this melt out. Let's finish it. Do not form a double bottom on me. You guys know how I feel about the double bottoms. What about GU? That's so funny that GU is the only thing that went bullish. Very confusing, but come on, gold, finish it off. 15-minute candlestick closure. Remember, I always tell you guys, towards the end of candlestick closures, you will start seeing its true direction. So now it might go, I mean, it could potentially flip right now. We're on the last 2 minutes of this 15-minute candlestick. I'm expecting it to keep on coming to the downside, obviously. It's easy. It's just continuation of all the momentum that we've already had all London session. Avi Dubu. Avi Du. Oh, damn, dude. You told me what your name was and I completely forgot. Ovi. Oh. I don't remember. How's everything though, brother? Did you get to trade London session? Ovi on the drums. Let's put this mic up a little bit. There we go. There we go. Let's now shotgun it style towards me. New 15-minute candlestick, made a little bit of a top wick, and now, as we've been talking about, the continuation to the downside looks like it's coming. 30-minute candlestick is still halfway done with its, like, life. We have 15 minutes left in this 30-minute candlestick. Easy news anticipation. It really did not take anything but a little bit of using the noggin. There she goes. See ya, boys. See ya. See ya, boys. Gold is gone. Hasta luego. Wick fill for the wick fill. Double wick fill. And that is how you trade news 101. Am I streaming during Christmas? Probably not Christmas Day. I'm streaming the 23rd, 22nd, 23rd, 25th, 27th, just the 24th, the night of. Okay, see ya, boys. See ya, gold. And that is how you trade gold 101 during news. That is how you news trade gold, boys. Skew. If the day before yesterday was Saturday, if the day before yesterday. So if the day before yesterday was Saturday, it's Monday. Why are you laughing? If the day before yesterday the day before yesterday. The day before yesterday. So imagine 2 days ago was Saturday. It's fucking Monday. Or was the day before yesterday Saturday? If the day before yesterday was Saturday. No. Which one is it, Lio? Has to be fucking Monday. Do most people get that wrong? If the day before yesterday was Saturday. Tuesday. All right, chat. So now when I'm looking at this 2-hour candlestick that is getting ready to close in 10 minutes, as well as this 1-hour candlestick, I'm still with the sells, completely with the sells. So look, check it. Even if we get a closure of this candlestick around here, let's say it closes where it is right now, or up, let's say it retraces even harder, it closes up here. That still leaves us with a new candlestick coming, bearish momentum existing, and wick fills to fill. I'm still bearish, even if we get the new candlestick closure, which is the new hourly. New hourly's coming, new 2 hours coming, new 4 hours coming. So even this 4-hour candlestick could potentially do a wick fill, go bottom, and then possibly recover. I'm not saying longs are completely out the door, but I do expect a little bit more bearish movement. Nonetheless, our stream has come to an end, chat. It is a short one today. I don't see, I mean, if we do end up catching a trade, it just would have to take way much longer. Or do I stay? Is this going down right now? Xander, are you there, brother? Xander, you think we could get a clip of me anticipating the news going up and down, or maybe of the beginning of the trade, then me anticipating news and up and down? Only like a minute though, a minute long. Got a lot of the bullshit. Just include the fire stuff. Maybe like a fast forward. If you like go like and it shows like the candlesticks like Thanks for coming, Amin. Let's do it, Xander. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna, after this stream ends, I'm gonna hopefully try to download it as soon as possible. And I'll 100% will get your live account today. So you could take the trades we take on live stream, or you could take your own trades and, you know, follow the rules. Boys, the live accounts that Funding Pips are giving, there's a couple of rules in them. Nonetheless, if you buy a live account and you follow the trades I take on live stream, risking 1% a day, because you can only risk 1%, which means you can only risk 0.9%. Because if you risk 1% and then it passes your stop loss just by a little bit because of spread, you lose over 1%, your account's automatically done. So there's a bunch of rules. You also have to win 7 trading days out of 30 to be able to request a withdrawal, and a winning day is considered as 0.25% made. So Europa League today, or should we throw some picks right now, or what? I like the continuation of sells on gold. I'm being very clear about that. But nonetheless, do recommend those Funding Pips live accounts. If not, buy a Funding Pips live account, give it to me. I'll trade it for you guys. We'll work out a deal on the profit splits and everything. It's basically exactly what I do on live stream. It just comes down to coming to the setup, taking 1 trade a day. If you have to close early, take the profit and run. On the news, no news trades allowed on the live stream, on the live account. You might need this clip right here if this goes all the way down at the bottom. And news has helped us. Oh, no. Replay. Can't hold it through news. And after a couple minutes of ranging, we are approaching take profit We traded it before the news, and we anticipated it while the news came, gave us extra chances for entries. That is literally how you trade news 101. And we are obliterating take profit. That is exactly how you guys trade news live 101. 3 red folder news, and we still managed to get take profit. Effortless, boys. You guys already know. Peso called it out for you live in the flesh like no other. Much love to you, boys. I adore ya. Make sure you guys subscribe and come watch daily. We stream. Oh, no. The outro maybe like a. Make sure you guys don't miss out on any live streams. We stream daily, trade live, take 1 to 2 trades a day. We have a great consistency record. And yeah, boys, don't miss out. Let me do another one just in case. Don't miss out on any streams, boys. We do this live, daily, taking trades. Oh, no, that is bad. All right, boys, I'm actually out. I am actually out. We have obliterated take profit, boys. Make sure you guys subscribe, turn on post notifications. Do not miss out on any live streams because we trade daily and we catch trades like this daily, effortlessly. Much love, boys. Peace. 3, 2, 1, action. Oh my God. That is a take profit obliteration, boys. Definitely not a content creator. No, sir. I just do it live. I just do it live. Boy, do we... Literally, we successfully caught gold, traded it during news, anticipated what would happen during news, effortlessly hit take profit, didn't even go through drawdown. That's exactly how it's done, boys. Oh my God, boys. You guys already know every time we close out of a trade, it keeps on melting. So you're welcome for that one. All right, boys. I love you guys. Xander, thanks for your patience. I adore you guys, boys. Peace out. Peace out, peace out, peace out. I'm going to try saving it as soon as possible. Much love. Get out of here. Peace.